Alright, welcome back everyone. So in today's episode we'll be taking a look at Tesla. They have been rolling out their Model Y, but more specifically in today's episode we're going to be taking a look towards the future of Tesla, what their next phase looks like, and that should enable us to tell whether Tesla is a sensible investment or not. Before we jump to the video, let's take a look at one of our partners. It's that of Etoro. For those unaware, this is an investment-based platform that allows you to buy a whole range of stocks and cryptocurrency as well. For those that have seen my videos in the past, you know that I use this app and I hold a lot of money within the account. For anyone interested in signing up, there is a link in the description below. There's a whole host of links, in fact, with all different platforms that I personally use, which have been shown throughout the different videos that I produce each week. So take a look at the eToro link and any other ones that you may find interesting. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. So the Tesla Model Y is a rear hatch design, offering more interior space. You have the same benefits to those who say have the Model 3, in which you have access to Tesla's supercharger network and also the over-air software updates. Now there's been a range of different Model Ys out there. You have the shorter range version offering 244 miles, which launched back in January 2021. Elon Musk wasn't actually happy with the range and removed the Model Y from their storefront. But since 2022 we now have the long range version, which is 330 miles. But what is interesting to see is how the Model Y has been performing since 2020 to 2021 of Q4. And we can see this somewhat exponential increase where Q4 of 2021 is over 140,000 deliveries. Cumulatively, over a span of 2 years, that accounts for over 500,000 sales for the Model Y. And so with Model Y performing well, the question is, what is next for Tesla? So if we look at a tweet from Elon Musk, we can see that he's currently working on Master Plan Part 3. For those unaware, Plan 1 referenced a low volume car that would be expensive but would help the company to build a medium volume vehicle. If we look at the type of vehicles out there, the car he was referring to was the Model S, and then for the mid-range is that of the Model 3. In terms of the near future, Tesla plans to scale up both the volume and production. But in terms of the long-term vision for Tesla, we can see that autonomous driving and ride sharing is going to be focused on more than previously. And so today, self-driving cars have actually been a little bit tougher than the industry expected. But to achieve a large network of autonomy, you need a lot of vehicles. And so for those listening within your respective countries, chances are for the most part, there's not many Teslas that you are seeing driving about. Personally, I've been seeing a handful each day. But to have full autonomy, you really want to see more vehicles that are able to communicate with one another. That's not to say that there isn't partial autonomy with the actual Tesla vehicles at the moment. We've seen the self-driving capabilities of Tesla, although there needs to be more vehicles and more data that can train their algorithms to improve their self-driving process. And in the future, we would definitely expect lower price EVs. That would be the key for Tesla to expand into the mass market, because not everyone can afford some of the high price points. Even with the Tesla Model Y, you're looking at over 50 grand in the UK. And so not everyone can afford to allocate that amount of money and equally don't have that amount of cash available. For some of those first time listeners out there, and especially those who have not invested, definitely take a look at some of the videos that I've produced, because investing is one of the best ways to actually grow your money. And then if you wish to, you could always buy that fancy Tesla, or you can just invest in more of the Tesla stock, which is something that I do. In terms of my Tesla shares, we can see I have roughly around 17 units. Right now, I don't plan on adding any more into Tesla. In terms of the current stock price, we're at $905. Still extremely pricey, but who knows where Tesla's going to end up. We have a current market cap of $935 billion. Given that I entered Tesla at the extremely low values, it's generally hard to put more money into, given the risk associated. But there's always opportunities to invest into a company. And so have a look at the performance and decide whether you want to add Tesla into your position or not. And so thanks for watching everyone. New videos are posted every Monday. Do share this content with any friends and family who may be interested in investing. And with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.